Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Avalanche, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. So first you want the vehicle on, which currently it is, just your standard key. And then once it's on, while in park, I recommend always being parked when you adjust these kind of settings. But right here you'll see a dial. Right now it's in two-wheel drive. And then you just swap to whichever makes sense. Typically the two-wheel drive if you're trying to save on gas, four-wheel drive if you're driving in, say, like, mountainous or some kind of rough terrain where that makes sense. And then your four-wheel low, typically you want that if you're towing. So yeah, normally you only want to use the four-wheel low if you're in like a situation where you got a heavy load that you're, again, like a trailer or something like that. But yeah, four-wheel high, auto, where it'll just adjust for you. And usually you want to leave it in two-wheel drive most of the time, unless you're in some kind of rough country most of the time. But anyways, I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.